Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch a grouper in Abyss Roblox. So the grouper, this one, is a classic heavy hitter in Abyss, and catching it is a great way to boost your gold and level up your fishing skill. And grouper is also needed if you want to complete some quests like this one, the Grumpy Hanks quest number 2. Here I'm using a wasted gun to catch it, and in here it's a little bit heavy, so you need to hover it long enough to successfully catch the grouper. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on a thanks. So I'll see you on the next Abyss tutorial. Bye!